Hey everybody, this is Tony. I'm going to do a quick tutorial that's going to teach you guys how to register for Karatpay. And most people have done this already, but this would be for a new member who maybe wants to get some cash gold to go buy the new K1 phone. So in order to do that, they're going to want to get some cash gold first, but to get cash gold, they're going to have Karatpay. So they would just log into their back office, go up to Karatpay, click register Karatpay, and then now what they're going to do is they're just going to click yes, transfer data to Karatpay, and yes, accept terms and conditions. So it's going to autofill their information from the profile. They don't have to make any changes to any of that. So they just need to click those two check boxes and then click register. Now, once you click register, it's going to load up and it's going to get you a confirmation email to your email address. So here it's going to tell you Karatpay registration successful. Please check your email, and then you're going to go log into your email. So here's what the email is going to look like from Karatpay. Just welcome to Karatpay. Then you're just going to click on this link, and then once you click on the link, it's going to automatically take you back to the Karatpay, and it's going to want the last 5 digits of the wallet. That's going to be in your Karatbar's back office, right here on the screen where it left you, your e-wallet number. You're just going to copy these last 5 digits, and then you're going to tab back into here, and you're just going to paste it, and then click continue. And then now it's going to autofill your information from your profile, but there is some things that you're going to have to add. So you're going to choose a password for Karatpay. This can be the same as your Karatbar's password if you want it to be. I usually tell people to do that for ease and being able to remember that. But it can be whatever you want it to be. So once you type in your password and confirm it, choose a security question. You have to manually type in the answers. These have to be different. Then you're just going to click register user once that's in there. Once you finish that form and you hit register, this is what you're going to see. Wallet number registered successfully, and you're going to get another email notification. So now you can go back to your email and then open that, and it's just going to say if you want to log in, go here. That's the same screen. If you click on login here, and it's going to take you right into the Karatpay back office. And that's it.